Hi, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving two problems which come from my BC Calc Unit 0 summative, and these were requested by a friend of mine to explain how to get the answers for each of those problems. So the first one we have here is find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by the curve y equals x and y equals 2x squared about the x-axis. So first off, we gotta make those equal to each other. First, actually, let me write that here. Make those equal to each other to find out our x values for the integral of like here to there. So it's gonna be x is equal to 2x squared, which we just move x to the other side. 2x squared minus x. Take x out. X minus 1. So x is equal to 0 and 1/2. So from 0 to 1/2. And since this is a no calc problem, you're just gonna have to figure out which one of these is the top equation, which was the bottom. In this case, once you zoom in really carefully, it's your graph. I know, it's no calc, but it would look like this. To figure that out, you plug in a number between this integral, sorry, not the integral, this interval, and see which number is higher, which will turn out to be the x value. So we know that x is going to be our first one, and our second one is going to be 2x squared. And now we take the integral of this. So this is going to be pi 0 1/2 x squared minus 4x to the power of 4. We're gonna do this pi times x cubed, sorry, that's a 3, x cubed over 3 minus 4x to the power of 5 over 5 from 0 to 1/2. And since it's 0, we don't really care about that one. We're just going to do 1/2, plug into both. So it'll be pi over 1/2 over cubed over 3 minus 4x to the power, sorry, not 4x to the power of 5, 4 1/2 to the power of 5 over 5, which should get us, let me move this over here, pi times 1 over 8. So let me just make sure, yeah, minus 4 times 1 over 32 over 5. 4 times that will just be 1 over 8. Pretty sure, right? And then we divide those by each other, so it's gonna be pi. Also, I'm very sorry, this is really messy. This is normally how I do my math, so I just hope you can follow along with me. 1/8 divided by 3 is going to be 124. Minus 1/8 divided by 5, 1 over 40. And now to make those denominators equal, let's see, where do we got some extra space? Let me move this over here. Yeah, very messy. Anyways, we're going to multiply 1 over 26 by 40 on both sides, and 1 over 40 by 26 on both sides. So 40, 26, sorry, not 26, what am I doing? That's actually 24. My bad, guys. Ignore that silly mistake. Jeez. Anyways, 24 times 40. Right, and then we subtract 40 minus 24 over 960. It's going to get us 16 over 964. And that, divide that by 16. Yeah, let me just do 960 by 16 up here. And there's here. I don't want to do this calculation right now. I'll pause it for a bit, show you what I did. All right, this is how you know that 40 times 24 is 960, how 40 minus 24 is 16, and how 960 divided by 16 is 60. So we're gonna bring this down here. Actually, wait, don't bring that down here yet. This is gonna be 1 over 60, and now we bring the pi from our beginning. Pi times 1 over 60 is just equal to pi over 60, which on the original test is right here, C. So that's how you solve that one. Sorry, I keep botching up my introduction for this. Anyways, the next problem we have here is f of x is equal to the integral of -5 to x cubed of the square root of 1 plus t squared in terms of t. And knowing this, what is f prime of 2 going to equal? Well, first thing we got to do is, knowing the fundamental theory of calculus, to find the derivative, we plug in x cubed for t, and we do chain rule, 3x squared. There we go. And now knowing that, here, let me just rewrite it, 3x squared, square root of 1 plus x to the power 5. No, not x to the power 5, x to the power 6. Gotta remember your exponent rules, people. Anyways, knowing that, now we gotta plug in 2. This is gonna be 3 times 4, square root of 1 plus 64. So 12 square root of 65. And if we look back on the paper, that should be the answer we get. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope this really helped out. I don't really know how to explain good, so I'm just showing you the process. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be coming out with more problems to solve.